everybody. Would you like to help me travel through time today? Fantastic. What we need to do is count to 3 and we'll jump. And then that way we can travel through time. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we made it back in the Iron Age, 2,000 years ago. Now, there's a couple of things I'd like you to help me with. The first one is to grind some wheat. We take the grain of the wheat and put it into a grinding stone. It's got a little handle on it. We pour the grain into the hole in the middle and we turn it around. Now, can you help me do that so that we can have some flour? Brilliant. We're going to do it 3 times, I think. Ready? Go. Oh, this is such hard work. In 1, die 2, 3. Oh, such hard work. Excellent. Thank you very much. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to practice throwing the javelin. Okay, so pick up your shield. Make sure it's a good, strong, heavy shield in front of you. We pick up our javelin and we lean back and we throw it. Oh. Wow, that went far. Good job. Excellent. Now, the last thing is a little smelly. We need to help our friends build a roundhouse. You going to help me? We've got a pit in front of us here, which is full of mud and water and straw and one smelly thing as well. Animal poo. So what we're going to have to do now is roll our trousers up. Oh, it really smells. And we're going to jump into this pit and we're going to dance around until it's all mushed up together. Are you ready? After 3, in, die, 3. Oh, it really, really smells. Come on, quick. Stomp around. Stop. Oh, right, let's get out of this pit. Thank you very much for helping me on that one. Someone else is going to pick up all that daub, all that stuff we've made, and slap it on to a wattle fence and make a brand new house. Right, I think it's time we jumped to a different time. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, we're in the Middle Ages. This is a time hundreds of years ago when people used to build huge castles, in particular in Wales. I've got a couple of jobs I need to do today. Can you help me? The first one is to unravel a scroll so I can call out the names of the people. Okay, we don't have to call out the names of the people, but I want you to help me unravel this scroll. Brilliant. Second job. We have to give food to the Lord of this hall. Let's get back to the kitchen. And we're going to collect some food in this big plate for the Lord, okay? Ugh, lots of food. Right, we're going to walk this to the Lord's table so that he can have something to eat, because he's very hungry. Okay, carefully. Ooh. Whoa. Right, onto the table. Place it down. Take a couple of steps back and bow. Fantastic. The last thing we need to do is a little bit of music. As everyone's really happy, they would like some music to listen to while they're eating still. Okay, so I've got a little harp here, and you are going to help me play the harp. We ready? Brum, 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 brum. Excellent. Right. I feel like we need to jump into another time. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, here we are in the age of Queen Victoria. Fantastic. Now I am dressed like a teacher of that time. And sometimes the teachers at that time had a little bit of a reputation as being a little bit strict. Now, I'm not going to be today, but there are some things that you can help me to do. They'll be like we were in the class together. Welsh wasn't spoken in school. Everything will be done in English. The first thing you would have to do as you came in through the front door would be to show me your hands. And I would make sure that they were clean. So let's do that first, shall we? Show me your hands. Now. And the backs. And the front. And the back of your hands again. Fantastic. Very nice and clean. Now, the next thing would be that you'd have to keep your hands down by your sides. And your back would have to be very straight. Like this. All day. Can we do that for maybe 3 seconds? Excellent. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Now then, the last thing that we're going to do is some classroom PE. Sometimes it would rain and they couldn't go out into the yard to play and do their exercise, so they'd have to do it inside the class. Let's do that, shall we? So I'll just call out some things and then you copy me, okay? Fantastic. Arms forward, arms up, arms out, arms forward, arms up, arms out, arms down. Fantastic. I think it's time that we skipped to another period in history. What do you think? After 3. 1, 2, 3. And here we are, just about 100 years ago. I'm dressed like someone who works in a shop, in the Gwalior shop. Now, can you help me with all the stuff I have to do in the day? I've got a couple of chores I need to do. So the first thing I need to do is take some sacks from the cart, which has been brought by the train. I have to bring those sacks full of food back to the shop. It's pretty hard work. Can you help me? Excellent. Right, let's go to the cart. Pick up these sacks. Oh, really, really heavy. Oh, on your back. Now let's walk back. Hard work. Right. Oh. One more. Okay, let's go back. Pick up the last sack. Oh, I wonder what's in this one. Right. Oh, thank you very much. That was really hard work. They're very heavy. Now the next thing we need to do is stack some of our shelves. So I want soup on this side and then tinned fruit on this side. So tomato soup over there. And these look like blackberry and apple. Nice, blackberry. Apple. There we go. Excellent, brilliant. Oh, it's going so fast with you around. Now, the last job I need to do is to make some fresh coffee. People love tea, but people really like coffee as well. Now, we have a big machine. I have to pick up a bag of coffee beans and pour it into the top. There we are, you can do that with me if you want. There we are, that's enough beans, I think. And now this machine has a big green wheel on the side with a little handle. So you need to grab hold of the handle and we need to roll it around like this. And now as we're doing that, just chopping up all the beans and turning it into a powder so that we can make it into coffee. It smells really, really nice. There we go, one more turn. Slow down, there. Excellent. Thank you very, very much for helping me today. I think we need to go to another time now. What do you think? Yeah, absolutely. Bye-bye. Oh, we're back in our own time. Fantastic. Thank you very much for coming with me today, and I hope you all had a really good time, and hopefully I'll see you all again. Hwyl fawr. Ta-ta!